This is our Pro Performance EFI line kit that we built specifically for the Boyd tank. Goes with it perfectly. What it comes with is 20 feet of -6 AN line, your Corvette style fuel filter regulator combo, which will be perfect for your LS setups. It'll regulate it down to 58 PSI. Got line clamps to run along your frame. Have the ORB fitting, that'll go directly into the Boyd tank. It'll have a little O-ring boss on there, is basically what ORB stands for. You got your fitting for the return to feedback from the Corvette fuel filter regulator. Plug, this will plug the draw side because on a carb tank, that is normally where you draw fuel. On EFI you don't, so we just plug it, and it also serves as a drain port. You get 6 hose ends, all in black, and then we have all of the Russell fittings that'll go on the GM quick disconnect ports on your fuel rail, and then also on this regulator filter setup. So basically just easy system to plumb right into an LS system. It'll also work with a FiTech as well. We just change a few fittings around. Just give us a call and we can modify it however you want. But this will be a perfect plumbing solution to go right from the tank all the way up to the fuel rail. Order it right off our website or give us a call.